Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm fairly new to making videos, so bear with me. I'm not the best cinematographer with my phone, but anyway. So I wanted to just show you guys how I do my water slides. I use Cystalac products, obviously, and I already have a cup that has been prepped, spray painted, or no, I didn't spray paint it. I used Flippin' Awesome to coat it, the base coat. And then I did glitter, and I have applied bright tone until it is smooth and ready for my water slide. I don't even remember the name of the water slide paper I use. It is whatever this is. Oh, I got it from Amazon. It comes in clear and white. Obviously, I'm using the clear. So I have printed it and I have sealed it. I used 2 times Rust-Oleum spray paint and let that dry about 30-45 minutes, depending on how much I put on. Sometimes I'm very generous with it. And then I do Plasti Dip, and I spray that and let that dry. And then I repeat the Rust-Oleum 1 or 2 times, usually 1, sometimes 2. I do let that gas off overnight because I use Cystalac and it has to gas off anything that is spray painted. So it is ready to be applied to my cup. So for some reason I have to stand up to do anything pretty much. So I'm just gonna angle the camera so you can see. I have my very warm water here, and I do use pretty warm water. And it seems to work best for me. The Plasti Dip just helps the water slide not to tear. You can move it around a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna put my water slide here in the water. You can see that. And I just kind of flip it over, make sure it gets all ready. I do have my little silicone brush tool to use, and I also have a paper towel, which I will probably actually end up wetting to go over, and I'll show you that in a second. And I don't really time it, I just do it until it's ready, and you can tell when it's ready when you go to kind of push it off, and you can see how it separates from the backing. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna add a little water to my cup, and I just kind of drizzle it. And I just have it lay on a little towel. Alright, then I just take my water slide, place it on my cup, and then hold the side and just pull the water slide out. Oh my god, that is so pretty. All right, and then this is just what I do. So I take my dry paper towel and I just barely press. I'm not rubbing, I'm just pressing to get out the excess water. And then I'll take my silicone tool and I'll just hold the water slide because it will slip around. And just go along and make sure there are no air bubbles or water bubbles. You can reposition it however you need. And this is where I wet this a little, go over it, make sure it's completely smooth. Again, I'll just check and see if it needs to be repositioned. I think that looks pretty good. I got this file, I don't even remember where, Etsy probably, I don't know. Sometimes I just Google things and see where it leads me. So I'm just carefully, not much pressure at all, wiping down the water slide. Then I always take it and I hold it, you won't be able to see this, but I'll hold it way up, I hold it right underneath the light. And I tilt it to make sure there are no bubbles. There are no bubbles. And that's it. Very simple. And then I just let this dry. Sometimes I let it dry overnight, at least 4 hours or so. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them below.